Let's start question number 3 of exercise 5.3. Question is express each of the following as fraction in the lowest form. Okay, first of all we have to express this decimal number into fraction, and after that we have to reduce it to the lowest terms. A part is 14.64. So how we can write it as fraction? It will be 1464 upon, see there are two digits after the decimal, so we will put two zeros in the denominator. Okay, it will be 1464 upon 100. Fine, it will be 1464 upon 100. Now we have to reduce it into the lowest terms. So how we reduce a fraction into lowest terms? See, there are two methods. First is we can find the HCF of numerator and denominator, or we can find the common divisor of numerator and denominator. Here I am finding the common divisor. See, 1464 and 100 both are even numbers. The digit at one's place is 4 and digit at one's place and this is 0. That means both these are even numbers. That means they are divisible by 2. So we can divide the numerator and denominator by 2. Okay, and it will become 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 50s are 100. Again 732 and 50 both are even number, so we can further reduce it. Okay, we can divide 732 and 50 by 2 again. Okay, we can divide 732 and 50 by 2 again. So it will be 2 3s are 6, 1 3, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 and 2 25s are 50. Okay, now we cannot reduce these two numbers further, so this is the lowest form of 14.64. and there is one more method also. In that we have to find the HCF of numerator and denominator. So we will find the HCF of 1464 and 100. Okay, 100 ones are 100, 4 6, bring this 4 down, 100 fours are 400. Now subtract it, it will be 64. Now 64 will become our divisor and 100 will become our dividend. 64 ones are 64, 10 minus 4 is 6 and 9 minus 6 is 3. Now divide 36 by 64. Our last divisor will become our dividend and remainder will become our divisor. So 36 ones are 36. Now subtract it, 14 minus 6 is 8 and 5 minus 3 is 2. Divide 36 by 28. Our last divisor will become our dividend and remainder will become our divisor. 28 ones are 28. Now subtract it, 16 minus 8 is 8. So now 28 will become our dividend. Okay, 8 3s are 24. Now subtract it, it will be 4 and 8 will become our dividend. 4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8. So what is our HCF? HCF is 4. Fine, our HCF is 4. So what we will do? We will divide the numerator and denominator by 4. This is our numerator, this is our denominator. Divide the numerator and denominator by 4. Okay, and after dividing, what we will get? 4 3s are 12, 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24 and 4 25s are 100. So your answer will come same. Here also the answer is 366 upon 25 and here also the answer is 366 upon 25. So you can use any method out of these two methods. Fine, you can find the HCF or you can find the common divisor. Now come to B part. B part is 0.006. So first of all we will convert this decimal number into fraction. So this will be 6 upon, see there are 3 digits after the decimal, so there will be 3 zeros in the denominator. Okay, followed by 1. So it will be 6 upon 1000. Now we have to reduce it into the simplest form. See, 6 and 1000 both are even numbers. That means their common divisor is 2. We can divide 6 and 1000 by 2. Okay, So it will be 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10, 0 0. It will be 3 upon 500 and we cannot reduce it further. So the lowest form of 0.006 is 3 upon 500. C part is 132.2. So first of all, convert it into fraction. This will be 1322 upon 10. Okay, now we have to reduce it to the lowest form. See, both are even numbers, so the common divisor, both these numbers are divisible by 2. So we will divide the numerator and denominator by 2. Fine. So it will be 2 6 are 12, 1 2, 2 6 are 12 and 2 1s are 2. Sorry, it will be 661 upon 2 5s are 10. Okay, 2 6 are 12, 1 and 2, then 2 6 are 12, then 2 1s are 2. So it will be 661 upon 5. Now see, this is an improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator, so we will convert it into mixed fraction also. So this will become 5 1s are 5, 1 and 6, 5 3s are 15, 1 and 1, 5 2s are 10, 1 upon 5. Okay, so it will be 132, 1 upon 5. Now D part is 0.16. So first of all, we will convert it into fraction. There are 2 digits after the decimal, so there will be 2 zeros followed by 1 in the denominator, so it will be 16 upon 100. Now we have to reduce it into the lowest form. See, both are even numbers, so both are divisible by 2. We can divide the numerator and denominator by 2. It will be 2 8s are 16 and 2 5s are 10, 0. Now again 8 and 50 are divisible by 2 because both are even numbers. We can divide both these numbers again. So it will be 2 4s are 8 and 2 25s are 15. So the lowest form of 0.16 is 4 upon 25. Fine. The lowest form of 0.16 is 4 upon 25. Now come to E part. E part is 3.5. So first of all, we will convert this decimal number into fraction. There is 1 digit after the decimal, so there will be 1 0 followed by 1 in the denominator. So it will be 35 upon 10. Now see, both these numbers, this number is having 5 at the ones place and this number is having 0 at the ones place. That means both these numbers are divisible by 5. इन दोनों का common divisor कौन सा है? 5 है. So it will be 35 divided by 5 and 10 divided by 5. So it will be 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10. So this is the lowest form of 3.5. So this is question number 3rd of exercise 5.3.